to help educate you and just motivate you to dig in and get through this war yourself. Over and over and over and over, people are like, my attorney doesn't do this. My attorney won't call me back. My attorney, I fired my attorney. The judge won't give me a qualified attorney, right? I know, I get it. And just the whole legal practice model is bad, okay? Just the way, you know, sometimes I give people this comparison. It's like if you wanted to go buy a used car and you went to a car dealer and you went into the used car manager, which I know a few of those, right? So you go into the used car manager and you're like, okay, I want a Honda van that's less than 10 years old and less than 150,000 miles on it, right? Decent tires, right? And the guy goes to you, well, okay, so give me $25,000 and I'll go look for you, right? And then you're like, what? What if you don't find it? And we're like, well, I'm sorry, but as long as I look for it, you're still going to owe me the $25,000, right? That's what the practice of law is like. You go into a lawyer and, and I just have to say, having practiced law for 30 years, the system is so set up to fail that a lawyer has to ask you for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $10,000, right? Because once they open the case up or get involved in the case, they can't just not show up or not respond to something. That's part of their ethical duty. So they have to respond. So they have to charge you a big fee, but then you never feel like you're getting any services because you don't even understand it. So their whole practice model is bad, and we've got to rebuild the practice model in the field of law, especially family and D&N law as well. And I have some ideas on that as well. So we've got to get people more prepared to walk in and do what they need to do, and make the way for families to be back together and be better and stronger and have what they need. All right, so with all that being said, this was just to get you stirred up to pay attention